So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about habits of a highly successful trader. How to take complete responsibility to become a successful trader. For the successful trader knows every action he takes, every decision he makes, he and only he is responsible for that action. You will never meet a successful trader who is looking to blame someone else or something else for the consequences of his results. It just will not happen. You see, when you accept 100%, no questions asked responsibility for all your actions, you close the door to excuses behind you. When something goes wrong, instead of looking for someone else to shoulder the blame, you will accept responsibility. Not it down and vow never to repeat it again. Simply, you are willing to accept you are going to make mistakes, but more importantly, you are going to learn and never repeat those mistakes. A vital component of any winning trader. Could you imagine Warren Buffett losing a few $1 million on a share trade and then blaming the general conditions of the market? No. Or blaming his broker for giving him due advice? No way. Just not going to happen. It will guarantee. I will guarantee, lost. The first thing they will ask themselves is, did I follow my rules? If the answer is yes, then they will look at their rules. Is there something that could be changed in their rules to avoid these losses again? Many times answer will be a resounding no. On the other hand, if after asking the question, did I follow my rules? If the answer is no, then some deep self explanation will be called for. Why did I fail to follow my rules? How can I stop myself from doing the gain? Am I likely to do the gain, etc.? But do you notice the wording of the questions? How can I will? Why did I? Here, the trader knows that takes total responsibility for every trade and is seeking reassurance that he will not break the rules again. There is an old saying in trading: if you have to ask, you shouldn't be trading. Think about it. If you have a system that you have tested and proven over the long run, then it does outperform the market and it's a system that fits you. Why will you ever have to ask for an opinion? What extra will a third party opinion provide? Apart from confusing you and clouding your opinion. If you are a long term trend follower, then why ask a day trader? If you are a value investor, then asking a momentum trader will be a total waste of time. But what I am saying is, no two people have the same opinion. Why would you believe someone else over your trading rules? So it's a fact of life. And even more so in trading, most people want to be told what to do rather than acting on their own. Yes, this is a major reason most people fail in the markets. Either accept total responsibility for your trading action or don't trade at all. If your number one rule is to follow your rules, then why will you need to ask a guru what they think of your position? If you ever find yourself wanting to ask a third party about your position, do this, then close the position out. Review your plans and rules. Work out why you lack the responsibility to follow that plan. When you are convinced you don't need a third party opinion, start trading again. Start trading again. Don't ask the third party. Is it? Thank you so much.